If the moon smiled, she would resemble you. You leave the same impression of something beautiful, but annihilating. Both of you are great light borrowers. Sylvia Plath. Welcome to Coached by Nikki Dyer. Spiritually, our energies shift during this time of year. The strawberry full moon encourages acting on our intentions, making things happen. And most of all, checking in as we collectively cross the halfway point in the year. So tonight we begin here by closing down your eyes. As you take your longest, deepest breath of the day, and let it all go. Slowing down the breath even more. Encouraging every breath out to last longer than your breath in. Feeling your heart and mind beginning to center. As you rest here under another full moon. Under the Capricorn full moon, we feel empowered to take accountability for the role our own actions play. The energy around us is reflective. The strawberry moon asks us to take a good hard look in the mirror. So tonight, that's exactly what we're going to do. As we collectively pause for a moment of quiet honesty, as I encourage you to ask yourself, am I clear on my own intentions? And where do I need to adjust to make it happen? We begin to reshift our focus back to the gentle rhythm of the body breathing. Noticing how it continued to breathe for you, even as your mind went somewhere else. Sensing the energy of the full moon as it hovers above. This month, she brings clarity, illuminating a new way forward. Capricorn is all about stability and efficiency, indicating how to take practical action toward achieving your long-term goals. She represents success and never taking no for an answer. As the full strawberry moon illuminates tonight's sky, she casts a gentle glow upon our path. Her lessons serve as a powerful reminder that if you nurture the seeds that you plant, the fruits of your labor will soon follow. We take a collective moment to once again pause, to recognize and celebrate just how far you have already come this year. Continue to take those steps forward. We are all part of something greater than ourselves. I welcome you here to take a deep breath in and exhale as you once again find your center. As you open up your mind and your heart to find any final messages that maybe have been trying to get through to you. Take a slow inhale here. And let it all go. Begin to welcome your mind back into your body. As you bring your focus back to this night, to this present moment. Taking a final deep inhale here. And exhale. And when you feel ready, open your eyes. From my heart to yours, I thank you for joining me this month to honor the moon and yourself. If you enjoyed this practice, please subscribe and share it with someone you love.